Hey guys, my name is Adora and I'm the lead beauty therapist for Beauty Bottega, and I'm here to give you all the information you need to know about semi-permanent makeup and eyelash extensions. Semi-permanent eyelash extensions or individual eyelash extensions are lashes that are attached one by one individually to your natural lashes, and then they don't get to fall off immediately. They have a bit of stability, so you can have them for about 3 weeks before you need to get an infill. And infills, you can just keep getting infills for about 6 months, so it becomes like a lifestyle thing. So really, that's what semi-permanent eyelash extensions are. So in terms of texture, the textures of the lashes that we use also differ. So we have mink lashes, we have silk lashes, we have cashmere lashes. We have all sorts of things coming up in the industry now. So the ones that I've just mentioned are the main ones that are in the market. Real mink lashes are artificial lashes that are derived from real mink. Now, mink is an animal. It's an animal that has a lot of hairs, or fur, as you would like to refer to them. So they scrape off some of their hairs to create the lashes. That's when we get real mink lashes. Silk lashes, they're synthetic lashes, but they're just slightly shinier than real mink lashes. Real mink lashes have a really matte effect, while silk lashes have a more shiny effect. Cashmere lashes as well are synthetic lashes, so they're supposed to be in between silk and real mink lashes in terms of texture. So the difference between all of these are just textures. Thank you ladies for watching me chat about everything lashes. If you liked what you saw, please like and thumbs up. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Beauty Bottega. Also check out our website www.beautybottega.com. You can also make your bookings from there. Remember, I would like to hear from you. I would like to know what you want me to talk about next time. So please leave your comments. Please encourage me. Thank you.